Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Take It review, Take It by Brendan Mace review now. This is an amazing product, especially if you're starting out and if you don't have a ton of time to invest into making money online, okay? So I'm going to be straight up with you guys. Each and every single time I'm recording one of these videos, review videos, I create a post, I do essentially a full affiliate marketing promotion. It takes me 4 to 5 hours. And obviously I'm making money with this, but I know that for some of you guys out there that still have a full-time job, maybe you don't really have the time because you're taking care of the family, etc. You don't have 4 to 5 hours per day to invest into making money online, even though it will make you money. So Take It as a perfect product for it because essentially it allows you to hijack any page off of the internet and add your affiliate links to it. Add a pop-up box with like an opt-in form to it. Whatever you want to do, you can essentially do legally. So this is something amazing, especially if you're starting out. You get to piggyback off of authority of already established websites. It saves you time on content creation, and it can build your list. It can make you money with affiliate marketing, with CPA marketing. You can sell e-com products, you can do whatever you want with it, and it takes a few clicks. So I'm going to share my screen right now and we're gonna jump into this Take It review. My bonus is worth $3,175 and I'm going to show you in the end of this video. So first of all, let me share my screen and let me just tell you what kind of pages you can hijack, okay? So for example, you can go to CNN.com, you can go to FoxNews.com, you can go to Forbes.com, you can go to any website on the internet and you can hijack any page of the internet, okay? So this means instant credibility to you and instant content. You can go to any website in the world, you can hijack and use this in any niche. So obviously you can even hijack pages from Amazon, from eBay, anything that you want to hijack you can. And in a second I'm going to show you exactly how this works because this is pretty brilliant. Again, you're going to be saving hours of work. You're going to be minimizing your stress because you don't have to create any content. You don't even need a website for this because everything is hosted for you, okay? So again, any website of the internet can be hijacked. And let's check out the sales page right now. So as you can see, it says Take It, breakthrough software clones any page in seconds and instantly monetizes it with one click, built-in money pages. So again, no product, no list, no paid traffic. If you can copy and paste, you got this. So zero skills needed, all the usual stuff. Brendan Mace, this is the founder of Take It, and he has some pretty cool proof to show you. So again, you can hijack any page you want. So CNN, Fox News, Forbes, ESPN, BuzzFeed, the Huffington Post, any website you want. And especially if you're like niching down, if you work in a very, very small niche and you have like a big website in that niche, you can hijack that website and that pages as well. So again, that's Brendan. Scrolling down here, so all you have to do is clone the website, then flip it, and then get free traffic. And obviously you can use this free traffic from anything. Again, Take It, this is the name of this new product, and take a look at the proof right here. So Brendan's making thousands of dollars with this, and obviously you can use his software to make some pretty easy money too. So again, 3 steps. I'm not going to bore you with exactly how this works. I'm going to show you the demo in a second. So you can go through all of this in your own time. Everything is mentioned right here. Some testimonials. You're gonna get free bonuses, and I'm actually going to give you $3,000 worth of bonuses on my own. I'm going to show you the bonuses in a second. Again, 30 days money back guarantee. That's essentially it. And as you can see, it will be $21.95, and I believe the early bird is even cheaper. Okay, so that's the sales page, and this is how to hijack a page. Okay, so this is the inside of the members area. As you can see, it's pretty simple. The only 2 things you have here you have to worry about is the campaigns tab and the opt-in subscribers. So as you can see, I'm in the campaigns manager. You can create a new campaign, but first of all, let me just show you how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, we have an example right here. Let me click on view. So In this case, this is an Etsy page, so as you can see, again, you can use this for any website in the world. And on the bottom right here, as you can see, it says take a disclaimer, we do not own the site being presented or have any association or affiliation whatsoever. Please enjoy the slide and support the author as their own official website. So if you're trying to scroll down, we have a pop-up right here, so people can enter their email address. You can create a list this way, and by the way, you can add anything right here. So you can add a link to an affiliate offer, you can have a CPA link, any link that you want you can add right here. And in this case we have an opt-in box because we want to build a page. So that's how it looks like. This is how simple this is. There is not much more to it than what I just showed you. You can add any link on top of any page and then just copy the URL, as you can see, start sharing it, and you're gonna start making money immediately. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks like once it's done. Let me click on create new campaign and let's see how it works. So we're gonna enter the campaign name, we have the site to clone right here, then we're gonna use the template. You can see a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. So we have subscription forms, text and buttons, video embed, a bunch of different things. Then we have social sharing buttons, that's the pop-up settings. We have the pop-up, so we have the on-scroll pop-up, delay pop-up, mouse out pop-up, and then we have the countdown timer as well. So we can enable it and add a timer. So that's essentially it. I'm not going to be creating a new page right now, but I will have a full demo for you guys, both on my YouTube channel and on my blog, so you can check it out. Again, as you can see, you can create and hijack these pages literally in seconds. Then you can just click on save and publish, and you can start sharing this link that you're gonna get to your new campaign. Okay, and then we have opt-in subscribers as well. So again, you can build a list of take it, and you don't actually need an autoresponder for it. So obviously, if you do want to add an opt-in form from an autoresponder, you can, but you don't have to if you don't want to start with an autoresponder. Actually, take it will keep all the leads for you. So once, maybe a month from now, you're gonna buy an autoresponder, start paying for an autoresponder, then you can just take all the leads from Take It and upload it there. So obviously you can do it immediately, or you can upload it and Take It will actually store all the leads. So that's another option for you. Obviously, you're gonna get all the video training on how to use the software and how to make money with it. So that's it. The idea is super simple, and again, you don't need hours and hours and hours of going through videos and trying the software, and it's nothing complicated. You can pick this up, start using it, and you will see results literally in a matter of minutes. Let's check out the funnel right now. So as you can see, the front end will be $19.97. That's the early bird price, and the price will be going up. The sales page was saying $21.97, as you remember. So everything I just showed you is included. So again, you can steal traffic, you're gonna get all the video training. That's $19.97. Upgrade number 1 will be $67. Let's go through the pricing first, then I'm going to show you exactly what's inside each one. Upgrade number 2, $197. Upgrade number 3, $97. Upgrade number 4, $197. And upgrade number 5, $97. And right here on my blog, I have a full written review with a full funnel breakdown. So upgrade number 1, $67. This is the maxed edition, and it includes done for you recurring campaigns, and this is a shortcut to profits, plus all guest work is taken away. Okay, so that's the max edition. At your number 2, we got done for you high ticket commissions. So you're gonna be making up to $1,000 with a webinar system connected to Take It pages, and this will boost your income overnight. Okay, so it's $197, and you can make commissions of up to $1,000. At your number 3, $97, Take It FX, which means you're gonna get 40 FX to massively increase conversions for your campaigns and make more money both upfront and down the road. That's Audio 3. Audio 4, $197, unlimited traffic, which means that Brendan lets you place your Google ad pixel on the sales page for Take It, and you can siphon the traffic out from this sales page. And obviously, you're going to get extensive video training on how to monetize it. And then OTO number 597, we get license rights to Take It, which means that you can sell Take It as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. It's essentially a done for you business. And obviously OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But again, you can pick up the max edition, maybe the done for you high ticket commissions, totally up to you. And right now, let me show you my bonuses, because again, I have a huge bonus package to it. And by the way, let me just mention that I have a full written review as well, so you can go through it if you want. And by the way, Take It will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on February 18th. And if you want to pick it up with my link, you're going to get all of these bonuses. Now, to pick it up through my link, just click on one of these blue links right here. From my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you free custom made bonuses, especially for this Take It promotion. Everything about traffic, okay? So obviously you can use the software to turn these pages, hijack these pages, but you will need to send some traffic to these pages, which means that, you know, only with traffic you can monetize it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get traffic with my free custom made bonuses. And I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my top selling products, Instabit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. So that bonus alone is worth $500. I'm also going to give you some done for you packs, including campaigns, emails, evergreen funnels, and much more. So this is something that I normally sell as an OTO to my own products. You're getting it for free. You're also going to get Buyers List Ninja, a course on how to create a buyers list, and obviously you can use Take It for it. So it will work great in conjunction with it. We have Urgency Suits Pro. This is a course for a software for any affiliate marketer for essentially boosting conversions. And you're also going to get a bunch of additional W's of the Day awarded courses: the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, Fuego Breakout, Case Study on Free Traffic, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Marketing Made Easy, 10x commissions, 10k a month online, and additional 11 bonuses. You're gonna get Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, and 9 additional plugins and softwares: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Gen Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Code Call to Action. And you also gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means that it will bring it up to a total of $3,175. Now guys, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free, again, just as a thank you for picking up Take It through my link. And again, just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, or the first link in the description from YouTube, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Check out my full written review right here, and this will obviously include this little sum up right here. So just to sum up this Take It review, you can clone stunning high traffic websites in any niche instantly, effortless one-click monetization with stunning pop-ups and redirects, and you're going to be getting free viral traffic, and you also have free premium hosting. So you don't need a website for this. Hosting is included. You don't need a website, you don't need a domain, you don't need hosting, you don't need any content. Free traffic is built in. So guys, I really like this product, again, especially because I know what it takes to create content, both written and video. It takes hours and hours and hours of work, and I know that some of you guys just don't have the time for it. So this is a perfect way to start, and obviously if you down the road you will decide to create content yourself, that's fine, but you can start this way and just start generating some traction and traffic, and start getting these sales in, which will keep you motivated. Before we go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus. So after picking up Take It from my link, all you have to do is go to your purchase history right here on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon right here on the top right corner, go to purchase history. You should see Take It right here in your products. Below the green button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from art. That's how to claim my bonus. You don't have to send me receipts or emails. It's all done automatically. And again, Take It is an amazing way to actually start making money online. It goes at 11 a.m. It goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on February 18th. Pick it up from my link to get all of the bonuses. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on YouTube. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I will be seeing you very, very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.